friends, and welcome to this month's SketchBox unboxing. It is the very end of January, and I am so excited for this one to be opened up to get the first book. Oh, they wrap it so well. I haven't got any spoilers for this one yet, and I'm kind of digging that. We didn't do that last time, and we had a really cool set. We got like this orange paper, and everything was kind of this orange-brown theme. And we got some bonuses because we actually got more value than was listed. That's my in progress. I made some leaves. I didn't do a whole ton with it, but it was fun to really play with a lot of the supplies that I haven't tried, especially some of the new chalks from brands I haven't tried. So it's so crunchy. See what we've got inside here. And our art here, Jenna Lee Marie. As a self-taught watercolorist, Jenna Lee is constantly exploring new materials to hone her craft. Residing in the beautiful landscape of the North Georgian mountains, she draws inspiration from nature, which influences the subject matter of her work. Her art focuses on florals and botanical illustrations, showcasing a particular knack for expressive brushwork. As a nurse and mother of two, she finds it important to make time for a daily painting practice. Here is her socials. And oh my goodness, I almost meant our featured art for our box is at Amy Sake. Make sure you get the dot in between. I try to keep these boxes if they are nice shaped, and we've actually been using them for hamster hides, which is chef's kiss, adorable, to cut a little hole in the side. So it's sounding like we might be getting a watercolor theme box. And we have some watercolor paper. 12 sheets cold pressed by Bing Fang. This heavyweight paper is perfect for watercolor and various mixed media. So it's bonded on the top, not on the sides, and it retails for $7.99. Got a nice bit of texture to it, but being cold pressed, it's not going to have, it's not quite a rough press to it, but it's not smooth like a hot press paper. So far, I'm kind of digging it. All right, we have Jacquard Blade Proof White High Coverage Opaque Watercolor. Fully covers dyes, inks, markers, and watercolors. Great for highlights and hiding small mistakes. Thin with a small amount of water as desired. Apply with a brush or dip pen. Can be cleaned up with water. So great for highlights. You can also mix it with liquid watercolor to get a variety of tints. So I think that one might be a fun way to try it out. And let's see about our consistency here. Ooh, it's like thick. Let's check this out. Nice heavy body to it. I'm going to leave that hanging out there for a minute. So, we got some liquid watercolors. We got Aqua Drop in Magenta. Oh, snap. And this retails for $9. Jumping around a bit. All right, Aqua Drop. Retail price $12.55. It's a pigment-based watercolor. It's transparent, incredibly light fast, great for painting, urban sketching, and calligraphy. It's got a really cool texture to the dropper. I think that's really neat. And an excellent light fast rating. That's pretty great. Really beautiful magenta color. We also have a high tone set from Jacquard. We got violet and leaf green. These concentrated dye-based watercolors, again, dye-based, are formulated for maximum color brilliance, transparency, and reactivate like a traditional watercolor. And their retail price is $13. And I've been really liking the bottles like these. I have a fork because I was about to start my breakfast and I was like, I can't wait anymore. I've been using a lot more of the dropper style. I've been using a lot of reactive inks. So I kind of want to see how they may play together and how they might react. So violet, and leaf green. We've got a pretty beautiful color story going here. I'm really excited. Let's see. Next up, oh, it's big. We have a number 4 Winsor & Newton Series 150 bamboo brush. Look at that. It is long and gorgeous point. It's a dynamic brush that offers calligraphy style lines and some really fun texture effects. I'm really looking forward to that. I love how light bamboo brushes are because they get that, I don't know, I feel like they just don't feel like light, like cheap. They feel really beautiful being this natural material. So I'm excited for this. I feel like it's going to hold a good amount of ink and moisture because it's got a nice thickness to it, but I love the point that it comes to. It might be a little tricky to figure out exactly how I want to control it. And it retails for $8.69. Next we have a Sarasa Fineliner. It's by Zebra and it's in black. It is waterproof and it's a fine liner, really good for creating more of a distinct line art. Its retail value is $1.98. I don't know where they're finding Sarasas for $1.98. Not my local art stores, but. And I don't see officially what its size is, so I just called it a fine liner. But I'm excited to see if it is a true waterproof. Oh, our cute little sticker today. That's adorable. Look at the sticker. All right. Still not done. We've got 2 more things here. The Staedtler triangular colored pencils we have in green and brown. So we're keeping with that plant theme. So great for sketching our ideas or using on top of watercolor for more of a textural effect. I think color-wise, these are going to be gorgeous together. Sometimes I have a few questions. Overall, I think SketchBox does a really great job getting materials that play well together or colors that tell a cool story. Some of them might be a little challenging, but I'm really liking how these are going to be looking together. So our magenta, our violet, our leaf green. This makes me want to get like a similar texture for like a bright, happy yellow and a beautiful cyan blue. So then we could have all of our friends and then immediate secondaries without having to mix. All right, let's see if we can hold all of these at once. Oh, I'm not sure. All right, so our total retail value is $56.73. We have a beautiful mix of materials. So quick review, we have a new brush in a unique size and shape, a waterproof fine liner, 2 colored pencils, a 12-pack of paper, bleed-proof white watercolor with high coverage opacity, a 30 milliliter pigment-based watercolor, and 2 15 milliliter dye-based watercolors. Overall, I'm really happy and I am so excited to start creating. I think I know what I'm doing on my lunch hour today. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and a beautiful, happy February. I love you all so much.